Okay, here's how you recover lost access to the Roblox Authenticator app. So if you can't log in into your account here, it's very simple, it's very easy. What we need to do is focus on the bar here, roblox.com/login. Just change /login to /support like this. And we just want to click on the link. Now choose your date of birth. It doesn't really matter what you choose here. So I'm just going to do the year 2000 and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so the username here, make sure you type the username of your account, which you want to recover. The first name is optional, but this is very important. Type your email address, type your Roblox email address if you have one associated, or just type your email address which you used and have access to. And here we'll just need to confirm the email address. Now, what device are you having the problem on? Here we will choose PC. And the type of help category, this is very important. Go into this drop down menu and click on account hacked or can't log in. And here another menu will pop up. We want to choose two-step verification. So what we're going to type is, hello, I've lost access to my Roblox Authenticator app and can't log in with my account. I don't have any backup codes saved to log in. Please help me. So something along those lines. I can leave this as a pinned comment so you can copy it and use it. But basically, after we have filled out these fields, if you submit your email address here, if you type out your email address, you can click on continue, and Roblox support will get in touch with you and they'll help you resolve this issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.